Today we will be making Humpty Dumpty. Deviled eggs are flavors packed in each bite. First, boil some eggs until they're just right. Peel off the shell, reveal the white, slice them in half. What a delight! Scoop out the yolk, a creamy treasure. Mix it with mayo until the perfect texture. Add some mustard, or not, no pressure. Sprinkle some salt and pepper to the mixture. Pipe the filling into each egg cup, garnish with herbs, a final touch-up. Chill in the fridge, let the flavors develop. Now they are ready to be gobbled up. Thanks for watching.